What's in your mouth? Say hi, Daddy. What's in your mouth? Let me see. What is that? No cap. Kara. Kara. Grant. What are you doing? Say hi, Dad. Kara, say hi, Dad. Oh, don't touch that. Don't touch that. That hurts. That's spiky. Here, come run with your brother. Go over there. Run with your brother.
It's so spiky.
Here, come run with your brother.
It's so spiky.
Come here. Look at your brother. Hi.
Spiky.
It's spiky, yeah. Then say, I love you, Daddy.
Spiky.
Kara, say, I love you, Daddy.
Episode down.